In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Artistly AI to avoid common AI glitches and get cleaner, more consistent results. First, always start with a clear and structured prompt. Avoid vague descriptions and instead include specific details like subject, style, lighting, and background. This reduces random or distorted outputs. Next, keep your prompts simple and focused. Overloading the prompt with too many conflicting ideas can cause visual errors or strange results in a generated image. After that, choose the correct style preset before generating. Using a matching preset helps the AI understand the visual direction and reduces inconsistencies in details like faces, hands, or objects. If you notice glitches in your result, don't fully restart. Refine your prompt step by step. Adjust one element at a time, such as lighting, composition, or realism level, then regenerate. You can also use the editing tools to fix minor issues like background noise, uneven edges, or small distortions instead of regenerating everything from scratch. Finally, preview your image carefully and only download when it looks clean and visually balanced. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.